Hello, this is Roshni Venugopal. You are 14 CS 121 and this is my cryptography assignment number 3. So we'll be handling security tools in this assignment, and the security tool that I have chosen is Kerberos version 4. It is a very strong security tool as it involves strong cryptography. So let's see what it is. Kerberos is a network authentication protocol. So when the client has to access something from the server needs authentication of the client's username and password. So this is done using one of the security tool used is Kerberos. And Kerberos is used to prove the identity of the client. So and they can also encrypt all their communication to ensure privacy and data integrity. So therefore there is the data integrity and the information is also secured and preserved and cannot be accessed by the intruder. So let's see it's working. So suppose this is the user. The user wants to log in onto a particular server. So what he does is he will he is already registered with the server with the server, he will enter his username and password. The moment he logs in or the moment he enters the password, a request of ticket granting ticket is done with the authentication server that is in the key distribution center. So in the authentication server, the username is passed and it is checked if it is available in the database. So this is the database. Once it is checked if the presence of the username, then it is sent to the authentication server, the verification, and a ticket granting ticket plus a session key is sent back to the user. So after the ticket granting ticket has been sent, the TGT is encrypted using the password of the user. So once the user enters the right password, only then the ticket granting ticket will decrypt and he will be able to access the server. So that is for logging in. And now suppose the person wants to access some resource, then what he has to do is he has to request for service to the server. And once he has requested for the service to the server, what happens is that a second ticket is issued. The ticket granting ticket is sent to the TGS or the ticket granting server, and in the ticket granting server the service granting ticket or the second ticket is issued and sent back to the user. In the second ticket it contains basically two components. One is the user details including the IP address, the network IP, etc. And the second component is the session key, as we can see here, and there is one session key is assigned for per type of service. So once it is done, once it is returned, the first instance of the session key is encrypted with the password of the person's user, and the second instance is encrypted using a resource secret key. A resource secret key will be decrypted and the workstation or the server will check the server will check if this he will try to extract the session key of the user, and if the session key matches with the one that is authorized by the authentication server, then it will provide server authenticator and the person will be able to access the resources. So this is the working of Kerberos version number 4, and there is also one more version number 5 where it is better, and the more security has been provided. Thank you.